Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Using this our update task module, you can easily update user, date, text and status in the projects. So let's see about it how to work it. You can see here our module Dev Project Task Mass Action. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. Go to projects, go to tasks, select multiple, go to action menu and see here this update mass task. First I want to update to users. Now click on this update value. So see here multiple tasks in updated. This users is missing. Now I want to update in date. I want to add 31st and update. So see here date is updated 31st in 4. Again back. Again select multiple. Go to action menu and now I want to update text. I want to add architecture, work, design. Now updates. So see here text is updated. Again select multiple. Go to action menu. In last is stage. I want to add totally done. Now update. So see here all tasks move in done stage. Thank you.